Welcome to Options Flow. Our platform combines real-time options flow, unusual activity, and advanced gamma exposure analytics into one dashboard, helping traders see where capital is moving and what levels matter most before entering a trade. And now I will walk you through it. When you log in, you'll land on the market overview dashboard. At the top, you'll immediately see market sentiment based on options activity. Here we can see the put-call ratio, total put-call premium, the total put-call volume, net flow, and overall market sentiment. In this example, the market is showing a bullish bias with significantly more call premium than put premium. Below that, you'll find our top active tickers section for unusual flow. This highlights the stocks attracting the most options activity throughout the day. Right now, we're seeing names like SOXX, MSTR, TSM, EWY leading unusual flow activity. This gives traders an instant view of where institutional money is focusing. On the right side, you'll see our net flow chart. This visual tracks cumulative options premium throughout the trading session. Green represents bullish call activity. Red represents bearish put activity. The net line helps traders quickly determine whether buyers or sellers are controlling the flow during the day. We also provide advanced signal filters that automatically identify high-quality setups. These include aggressive entries, OTM sweet spots, volume surges, high conviction trades, or repeat activity. Instead of manually scanning thousands of contracts, our system surfaces the flow that matters most. Now, let's move into the heart of the platform, our real-time options flow scanner. This is the flow feed. It captures every option transaction executed across the major options exchanges in real time. No matter the size of the order, every trade is recorded here, giving you a complete picture of market activity as it happens. At the top of the flow, you can quickly customize the data to fit your trading style. You can search for any ticker you're interested in, whether that's SPY, QQQ, Nvidia, Tesla, or your own watchlist names. You can also select a specific date range to review historical flow activity and analyze how positioning has changed over time. For more advanced workflows, you can create your own custom filters that allows you to focus on the information that matters most to your strategy. For example, you might create a filter that only shows call sweeps over $100,000, contracts expiring within the next 2 weeks. You can save these filters and quickly switch between them throughout the trading day, creating a workflow tailored to your trading style. If you don't want to build your own filters from scratch, the platform also includes a library of pre-built filters designed to surface popular setups such as aggressive entry, OTM sweet spot, volume surge, high conviction, or repeat activity. The flow feed is completely customizable, allowing you to add, remove, and reorder columns in the order that works best for your analysis. At the top, traders can quickly filter flow based on exactly what they're looking for. For example, calls only, puts only, sweeps, blocks, ETF, stocks. This allows you to quickly focus on the type of activity that fits your strategy. Above the flow feed, you'll find a market overview showing intraday flow, most repeated tickers, put-call ratio, total put-call premium, or total put-call volume. For a deeper look at any trade, simply double-click on a flow entry. This opens a detailed view where you can access additional information about the position, including contract details, execution data, and other relevant metrics. You'll also have access to the chart, allowing you to analyze price action. In addition to the full options flow feed, the platform also includes an unusual flow view. While the standard options flow scanner displays all options transactions across the market, the unusual flow feed focuses on trades that stand out from normal activity. Think of it as a filtered version of the flow feed that's designed to help traders quickly identify potentially significant opportunities. Next, we'll explore gamma exposure, GX, a tool used by traders to better understand dealer positioning and the key levels that can influence price action. One of the most powerful aspects of the GX dashboard is the ability to analyze any ticker and any expiration date. Let's start by customizing the data we're looking at. The GX dashboard allows you to search any ticker and select the specific expiration date you want to analyze. Whether you're focused on SPY, QQQ, individual stocks, or longer-term positioning, you can instantly see how gamma exposure changes across different option expirations. This allows traders to focus on today's expiration, upcoming weekly expirations, monthly contracts, or longer dated positioning depending on their trading time frame. By switching between expirations, you can quickly identify where the largest concentrations of gamma exposure exists and how key support and resistance levels may shift over time. At the top, you'll find critical market structure levels, including current price, gamma flip, call wall, put wall, net GEX, maximum positive gamma, maximum negative gamma, and expected move. These levels help traders understand where dealers may influence price movement. Call walls often act as resistance levels. Put walls frequently act as support levels. In this example, we can see the call wall near $735 and the put wall near $730. These become important in zones that traders monitor throughout the session. The gamma flip level marks where dealer positioning may shift from stabilizing price to amplifying price movement. When price moves around this level, volatility can increase significantly. The GEX table breaks down exposure at every strike. You'll see net gamma, call gamma, put gamma, open interest, and total exposure. The larger the exposure at the strike, the more likely it is to influence price behavior. Many traders use this dashboard to identify support and resistance, find expected trading ranges, spot volatility expansion zones, or plan entries and exits around key gamma levels. Instead of relying solely on chart patterns, traders gain insight into the options positioning driving market behavior. This is our GEX heat map. The heat map allows traders to quickly visualize gamma positioning across multiple strikes and expiration dates. Green areas represent positive gamma exposure. Red areas represent negative gamma exposure. The brighter the color, the larger the exposure at the strike and expiration. Think of it as a map of where options positioning is concentrated. In this example, we can immediately see large positive gamma concentrated around the 310 strike. At the same time, significant negative gamma exists around the 307.5 area. These are often the levels that influence market behavior the most. When dealers are heavily positioned at certain strikes, price can gravitate toward those areas or react strongly when they're broken. Instead of guessing where support and resistance exists, traders can see where options positioning is creating potential market structure. One of the most powerful features is the ability to compare positioning across multiple expiration dates. You can quickly identify whether exposure is concentrated in today's expiration, weekly contracts, or longer dated positioning. That helps traders understand whether a move is likely to be short-term or part of a larger market trend. Next, we have the bar chart. This is one of the fastest ways to identify key levels. Green bars represent call gamma. Red bars represent put gamma. The larger the bar, the larger the exposure at that strike. Notice how we can instantly identify call wall, put wall, gamma flip, and expected move range. These levels are automatically calculated and displayed directly on the chart. The bar view removes noise and highlights exactly where exposure is concentrated. Instead of digging through tables, you can identify important levels within seconds. This is where options positioning meets price action. Here, we're displaying live price alongside the most significant gamma levels. The green lines represent major positive gamma zones, the red lines represent major negative gamma zones, and the chart updates as market positioning changes. By combining real-time options flow, unusual activity detection, and institutional-grade gamma analytics, Options Flow gives traders a deeper view into market positioning. Whether you're day trading, swing trading, or simply tracking institutional activity, these tools help you make more informed decisions.